How to troubleshoot your A100 vacuum sealer if you feel it is not vacuum sealing properly. There's one way you can check to determine if it's a defective bag that you're using or if it indeed is your vacuum sealer not pulling a vacuum. So to test this, you'll just want to go ahead and press the start button to run a regular vacuum and seal cycle without using a bag. You're going to press down on the handle like you normally would, and then we're going to lift up on the handle to see if the lid is locked down in place. That's going to tell us if the sealer is pulling a vacuum or not. As you can see, during the vacuum cycle, the lid was locked down. So that does mean that your vacuum sealer is still pulling a vacuum. So the next best guess is going to be to check your bags.